bumping, bruh.
Like, you like bumping?
Yeah, just bumping.
Somebody hit him.
Hey, brother, you doing okay?
No, he ain't okay.
In the early morning hours of May 29, 2024, a cyclist is murdered in a brutal hit-and-run. With no leads, the case goes cold until a shocking video of the incident surfaces on Instagram, posted by an 11-year-old child. What it reveals leaves investigators in shock, forcing them to confront some of the youngest violent offenders ever encountered.
Look where I hit her.
Really?
Her whole face went boom.
The following is based on official police records, and most of the footage has never been seen before. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. It's around 4:40 a.m. when Albuquerque, New Mexico dispatchers receive a 911 call from a woman on her way to work.
911 emergency.
Hi, I'm headed to work and someone got hit on a bicycle. It's a lady. She's on the side of the road.
Did a vehicle hit her?
I'm not too sure. I just kind of was coming southbound. I was going to work and I saw the bike. It's in the middle of the road and she's on the side of the road.
Is she moving at all?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
She's kind of facing the other way. I don't know if she's okay. She looks like she would be okay because she's kind of like curled up a little bit. I just really don't want to like get out and look at her though, you know?
Yeah, no, I understand. Does the bike look like it got damaged?
Yeah, the bike is mangled. Like it's pretty twisted up.
Though the caller first described the victim as female, police arrived to find an older male lying in the street, and it's clear his injuries are severe.
You guys see what happened? No, I passed you here first. She just
Somebody hit him.
Yeah, I saw the bike.
Hey, brother, you doing okay?
No, he ain't okay. He ain't okay.
Thank you.
They got cameras right there. So
He's bleeding pretty good out of his head.
I'm gonna go try and block up that side of the street.
Yeah.
Yeah, I passed through there about 10 minutes ago, and then she came, and then he came.
Okay, so you didn't see what happened though, man? You just kind of saw them?
I was the bike in the road. So look, we got that right there.
Okay.
So whoever did this, and that's how I knew somebody was here, because I was like,
Yeah, like the bike kind of laying there with.
yeah, and then I hope he make it, man.
Yeah.
So none of you guys saw what happened? You just drove up on him? Subject's unconscious. He's breathing but not responding. Thank God he had this helmet on. He's breathing, but he doesn't respond really well.
An employee badge found in the male's belongings identifies him as 63-year-old Scott Habermehl, who is urgently rushed to the hospital for life-saving treatments. Meanwhile, officers began surveying the scene in an attempt to piece together what may have happened.
I think it might have happened over here because I saw the shoes behind that guy that stopped. His shoes up over there. Jesus, man, he must have got nailed. God damn, I know.
I mean, these bikes aren't made to take impacts before.
Yeah, but I mean, like, he's throwing his shoes that far? Yeah, like this one's back over here. I don't know where. I mean, there's like this tread mark, but that doesn't look new. It's like this one kind of. So it almost looked like he could have gotten like T-boned it, just clipped the back and just threw him, because it's just a weird. Just the way it happened looks really weird.
Where that back tire broke, I bet he got rear-ended. Oh, forgot that.
I mean, it broke like the entire rim. Well, I think it's just plastic though. Oh, that's metal. That's straight up metal.
These bikes are made to be so light.
Yeah.
Such light.
Oh, yeah, it's just straight up metal.
They're like racing.
Yeah, the accomplishments.
Police note the bicycle was equipped with 2 rear-facing flashing red lights and 2 forward-facing lights. Scott would have been visible despite it being dark outside. As they continue to comb the streets, they find more scattered evidence.
Yeah, there's a little bit right here. I wonder if it happened maybe more back here and just flung him. So, I mean, there's like a hat right here. I don't know, man. Because I'm wondering if it happened back here then. I would. Depends on how fast he was going in the car. It could just been like, you know, the kinetic energy just taking both of them. So there's other chunks of the helmet kind of by Andrew's car. Piece of the visor, and then a little chunk like in the middle of the intersection right there. So I'm wondering if he kind of got hit like at that intersection or in that area.
There's a chunk of his helmet over here.
Officers begin searching for local surveillance cameras that might give much-needed answers. One such camera is pointed directly at the intersection, but when they knock on the homeowner's door, they receive no response. It's a disappointing setback, but a later call to the Albuquerque Police Department sheds new light on the situation.
Police Department Operator 4187. How can I help you?
Yes, this morning I reported a hit and run on a bicyclist, and I actually have some more information. I was able to pull some video footage from the church that I work at, and we actually saw him getting hit, but it's a little grainy, but it might be helpful.
Scott's bicycle light flashes between the trees just as the bright headlights of an approaching vehicle begin to close in. While it's difficult to see, the sound of the impact is unmistakable. Additional cameras capture the car speeding through the neighborhood, but the footage is too grainy to make out a license plate or even identify the make or model. At 7:25 a.m., just hours after the incident, a suspicious vehicle was found abandoned half a mile from the crime scene. One window is shattered, the ignition is visibly damaged, and the car, a silver Hyundai sedan, had been reported stolen. Damage to the exterior was found to be consistent with crashing into an unfixed object. Officers at the scene speak with the homeowner whose cameras face the intersection. He confirms they weren't recording.
He was unconscious when we got here, but I mean, he was wearing a helmet, so if he lives, it's going to be because of that. He was still bleeding pretty good, but hopefully.
Unfortunately, the injuries were fatal. 63-year-old Scott Habermehl sustained a skull fracture as well as multiple facial fractures, and the cause of death was listed as multiple blunt force injuries, and the manner of death was ruled an accident. Scott was a physicist with a PhD, and investigators learned he was on his way to work when the tragedy struck. With no witnesses to the crash itself, grainy footage, and no solid leads, Scott's case is closed on September 24, 2024, pending new leads. It isn't until 9 months later, in February of 2025, that an anonymous tip reignites the case and changes everything. The tip leads investigators to an Instagram account where a video of the fatal crash was uploaded, filmed from inside the stolen car. In a shocking discovery, the account is owned by an 11-year-old child named Messiah.
All right, man, pull up.
As investigators begin diving into his account, they find videos documenting a variety of crimes, from pranks targeting fast food workers to a variety of thefts, including one video showing Messiah stealing a Ring camera from a residence.
Hey, yo, we stole your Ring camera. Yo, we got you, boys.
But these videos barely scratch the surface of the deeply disturbing material they would uncover.
Got that Glocky.
You haven't been when me and your car were
Yo, they're literally on fire.
Dude, we just got free pizza. That's awesome.
Yo, we smoked tequila. Oh, someone shot at it? Do it again! Do it again! Do it again!
Messiah's Instagram records also contain screenshots of multiple people reporting the thefts, with one complaining about the lack of intervention from police. In the video depicting Scott's fatal crash, 11-year-old Messiah can be seen in the front passenger seat, waving a gun. Two others appear as the camera shifts, 15-year-old William Will Garcia and 13-year-old Jonathan Johnny Overbay. The video, which will later be revealed, is deeply disturbing and sends investigators to visit Scott's wife Jamie to deliver an update on her husband's case.
I think you guys are going to have some questions. Hey, was this an intentional act against... These people had no idea who Scott was. It was a ruthless, cold act. I'm very sorry to all of you that we have to meet under these circumstances, but we're going to get to the bottom of this.
I just assumed from the get-go they would never find this person. And I didn't know if they were, what level of effort was being put forth to do it. And I really honestly, just like you said, I wasn't sure I wanted them to find the person, because for my personal benefit, it does attach a face to all of this. And I can't imagine anybody doing this to anybody.
Our goal is to put an end to this. And that's what we're going to do.
Over the course of 3 days, from March 17th through March 19th, all three boys were found and questioned. The video revealed that 11-year-old Messiah was in the front passenger seat at the time of the crash. They arrived fully armed at the home of his Uncle Michael, where Messiah lives, After performing a safety sweep of the house, Michael expresses frustration that the officers entered his home.
We did a safety sweep to ensure nobody was inside.
You walked in there and you opened the doors. Make sure nobody else. I thought that's an adult right there.
Look, man, this ain't a courthouse. You can argue this in a court. We're cops. We're not lawyers.
I know that, but what I'm saying is,
it doesn't matter.
Adult right there. If he says nobody else is
bring that up with your lawyer.
Enough for you?
Bring that up with the lawyer.
I've been a cop 3 years now, dude, and I know when you start arguing about why, there's something not.
Police investigated a crime spree in the summer of 2024 involving an 11-year-old suspected of car theft, burglary, and a shooting, which Messiah took responsibility for in a discovered text message. He also saved several news articles outlining the charges filed against the 11-year-old suspect. Police at the time were not aware of the connection to Scott's death, and in their press release stated, "We are lucky someone wasn't killed." At the police station, Messiah is given drinks and snacks before detectives begin reading him his Miranda warnings. Meanwhile, back at the house, officers informed Michael that they had obtained a search warrant for the property.
So we're looking for cell phones. We're looking for any guns. Do you have any guns inside the house?
Yeah.
You do have some guns?
Yeah.
Okay, where are those guns at?
One gun in my room.
In your room? Mm-hmm. Should there be any guns in Messiah's room?
No.
Go.
There's no guns. There's no car that killed the guy. No bike piece, no souvenirs. So just search it.
While his uncle may not have been aware, Messiah's phone records suggest a concerning pattern involving illegal firearms, including a message in which he admitted stealing a gun at a party, and others discussing plans to rob gun stores. Back in the interrogation room, Messiah is asked if he wants to speak with detectives now that he's been made aware of his rights. He agrees to answer questions, but asks that they call his uncle first.
Hello, is this Michael Hayes?
Yeah.
Hello, Michael. My name is Amia Baker, and I'm with the Albuquerque Police Department. We're here talking with Messiah right now, and he asked that we get you on the phone while we talk with him. Are you okay with that?
I think I need to be in person. His lawyer advised him not to say anything until he has a visitation.
Do you want to come here and talk?
It's kind of late. I'm being detained at my house right now.
Investigators inform Michael that he's free to leave while the search warrant continues at his house, but he still doesn't agree to come in.
Messiah wants to talk to you.
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on?
Nothing.
So, right now, I called your lawyer. If you talk to the lawyer, he's going to come and represent you, but I don't know what's their procedures of how long they're going to keep you.
Okay.
He said he's representing you. There's not much I can say. If they want to talk to you with me there, I want your lawyer here as well. So you're going to have to set it up for in the morning. So they should be bringing you back home. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
What's your position? What's your position? What's your perception?
He's asking what your position is, what you want.
To go home. I'm tired.
They should bring you home. They should bring you home soon, okay? If you're not home, you'll be home soon.
Once Michael is off the phone, they ask Messiah once more if he wants to answer questions.
I'm just bored.
Yeah.
And I thought you guys, like, if I said, if I were to answer no questions, you guys would just leave and then have no company.
So, okay, I see what you're saying. You're bored and you kind of want company, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
So the conversation that we do want to have with you is related to the crime in which you're being accused of participating, okay?
We're definitely not saying you have to talk to us, it's your choice, but we just can't hang in here and just keep you company either. Does that make sense? Okay. So, having your rights in mind, do you want to talk to us right now?
No.
Okay.
It's going to help my case. I think
Okay. Okay, so.
Well, it's good talking with you, and I hope everything goes all right, okay? All right, thank you, sir.
It's nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Take care of yourself, okay?
The second occupant, 15-year-old William Will Garcia, voluntarily surrenders to police at a public meeting place. When officers arrive to arrest him, his best friend, 15-year-old Elijah Eli Engelking, is with him. Will's Instagram records were also obtained by police, with several shocking discoveries among them, including many of Will and Eli together. Like Messiah's account, Will's is filled with references to gang violence and include videos of teens with firearms.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Phoebe?
Eli tells detectives he wasn't with Will that night, but shares what Will explained to him about his involvement.
He was just in the backseat and they were pointing a gun at him and stuff and telling him to record. And that was really what was happening. And he was just they were really just trying to scare him. They were trying to scare the biker, Will said. And Johnny took it to another level and he bombed him in the back. He sped up and he killed the guy.
While Eli insists this is all the information he has, detectives will later learn that he knows a lot more than he's letting on. For now, they meet with Will's parents briefly before they head to the police station to interrogate the 15-year-old.
Do you guys want to talk to us? Like, just the parents, do you guys want to talk to us and have a conversation?
I might want to.
Okay, so for me, I could say I don't have anything to say other than thank you for what you do. And I've instructed my son not to talk at all until his attorney is present.
Okay.
Which should be in the next couple of days, you know.
At the police station, Will sits with investigators, who are hopeful they can obtain more details about the incident.
So, William, you know that you are under arrest.
Yeah.
But what we're going to do is we're going to start off by reading you your Miranda rights and making sure that you understand those. And then we can go from there, okay? So do you understand your rights?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. And would you like to talk with us?
I would like a lawyer, honestly.
Okay. All right.
Despite exercising his right to silence, Will is still under arrest. They briefly allow him to call his parents before taking him to the holding cell.
Hello?
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
I just wanted to talk to you. Just to...
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm out here.
What do you mean?
I'm outside of where you're at now.
Oh. Well, yeah, you probably won't see me, though.
No. So, you just told him you wanted an attorney, right?
Yeah.
I just know that you're okay.
Okay.
I love you, son.
I love you too, Mom.
Hi, son.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, I love you, okay?
I love you too, Dad.
Keep your chin up, we're right behind you, even though you're not talking to us, we're thinking of you planning, okay? We're meeting with the attorney in the morning, okay?
Okay.
They locate the suspected driver, 13-year-old Johnny, at the Juvenile Probation Center, where he's attending an appointment with his mother. Jonathan is currently on probation for an unrelated case.
Hello.
Hello. Negative 26.
Hello.
On the blue Honda Pilot.
Hi, buddy. I'm Officer Benavides, all right? Can you just stand up for us? Grab that pin. What? Thank you.
Is that the right Jonathan? He has an uncle.
Yes, it is, okay?
What?
Where's your...
For what?
Do you have a phone on you? No?
For what?
Detective they'll explain everything, okay? You're gonna go talk to some detectives, okay?
So I just want to make it easier because
John.
you're gonna go with us. You're gonna be able to go with us.
Okay, am I gonna be able to hug him and love on
Yes,
him?
yes.
Oh my
yes.
god.
So he has a warrant for his arrest. We gotta take him downtown where he's gonna get interviewed by a detective unit.
Is he going to jail?
Yes, he is.
Oh my gosh.
John receives a quick pat down outside of the room before they begin to escort him to a waiting police cruiser.
John. Dude, can you come in or what? You're going to jail.
Right home.
Okay, just come to this car over here, okay?
Give him your phone, okay?
No. For what? No. I didn't do nothing.
Come on.
Oh, this is stupid.
All right, as of right now, okay, you're going to jail for, or you're going to go talk to somebody, but you're under arrest for your warrant. Okay, don't try to do anything stupid. Okay, I don't know what exactly it's for. They just told us you had a warrant to come pick you up. Okay, I'll give you air. Just cooperate, and we'll go from there. Okay.
All right.
An officer follows his mom as she retrieves his phone from their car, where Johnny's aunt begins to question what's happening.
You're going to jail? I don't know. What? I don't know, dude.
What do you mean for what?
Is this?
Yeah.
Okay.
For what?
You shouldn't have
How do we turn
anything
this?
on there, so, huh? Oh, that's you calling.
Why are you giving them his phone?
They have to, or they're gonna seize my car.
Yeah.
But when officers don't reveal the details of the warrant, tensions rise with Johnny's aunt.
But you guys know it's a warrant.
Yes.
But you guys should know if you're arrested.
It's not our job to know. It's not our job at all. It's our job to know that it's a warrant. No.
That makes sense.
You don't agree with it? You call the
It
judge?
don't make sense though.
I get you're upset. He's going to jail. It happens.
No,
Okay?
it's in reality.
It is reality. You're right. He is
Yeah,
going
you're
to jail.
going to jail for a warrant that we don't know what it's for. Make that make sense.
His mom arrives separately at the police station, where she's about to see exactly why they placed her son under arrest. Her instructions to Johnny reveal that someone gave her information about his warrant, though it's unclear who did.
It's up to you if you want to answer questions or anything like that, but honestly, just wait. And then I'll talk to them later about it or something, because they're trying to get you to learn.
Okay.
Love you. Sorry. But I'm sorry that they're gonna take you to jail, and I don't know how long you're gonna be there, but I'm gonna be here for you, okay?
As they wait for the interview to start, Johnny's mother fills him in on what she knows.
Yeah, he said that somebody got hit on a bicycle and Messiah was driving and he went in the car.
Despite what she told Johnny, the video she's about to see clearly shows that Messiah was in the front passenger seat.
Okay, so I'm going to kind of step forward on that since you were kind of talking about this. I'm not making any questions or making any requests of you, but I'm just going to let you know about what you have. There's no question about what we have.
Oh my God, I don't want to watch that.
You're going to have to watch this. Sorry.
I did like glitch. Oh my gosh. He said somebody got hit and then they ended up dying.
What?
And then I guess, I don't know if somebody said you were there or what.
You need to download it.
Like, that's what they're trying to get me for?
I don't see it.
Maybe. I wasn't even there, that's why you didn't see me.
Dang it, it's just stopped. Thank God, because I didn't want to see that. If it's what, oh my gosh.
She's downloading it so that it doesn't have to rely on a bad connection. So it will still, you guys will still watch it.
Well, I got nothing to worry about because I wasn't there.
And he said, he's sorry that if he would have known, he didn't really know. He said it was like kind of last minute and they just popped up. And he said sorry because he wished that he could have warned you or told you more before they did that.
After downloading the video, the detective attempts to play it for Johnny and his mother one more time.
It just sucks not knowing too, you know?
Okay, here you go.
Oh my gosh.
Here you go, you want to watch this first.
My phone is playing.
There
we go.
You go ahead and tell us, just bump it, bro.
You like bumping?
Yeah, just bump it. Go like 15, 20.
I think it's so much trouble. Can we watch it again?
No.
Another video recovered from Messiah's Instagram records show the teen's callous reaction to the blood on the car's hood.
Look where I hit her.
Really?
Her whole face went boom.
The detective lets Jonathan's mom know he'll be taking his phone, explaining that it'll allow them to triangulate his location during the time of the incident.
They have a DNA warrant, fingerprint warrant for him because we have evidence from the vehicles that were utilized during this time frame. So that was just a statement just to let you go, because I hear you're kind of talking about it, so you're not like sideswiped.
Because we were sideswiped when we checked him. We're like, what is going on? Because he's been out of jail. He was in jail for a long time. And then he got out and he's been doing everything he needs to do. And,
so there was vehicles involved, and they have evidence from them. So once those DNAs, they'll be cross-examining his DNA and prints to the stuff collected from those vehicles.
Curious about his current probation, detectives ask for more details.
He had broken into a school or something, and he's been doing restitution and stuff like that. So.
Yeah, this will, unfortunately, that's going to violate that. So, all right.
Just keep your head up, okay?
Okay.
I wish that I could have made you pop out tonight. I was gonna make enchiladas. I love you. You need a shower. I'm sorry. Are you gonna be okay?
Well, there's nothing else I can do.
An officer enters the room to take Johnny to his holding cell, leaving his mother in an emotional state.
Does he have to go right away?
Yeah, we'll let you say bye and then we'll.
I love you, baby. I'm here for you. Just remember everything that happened last time you went in and just try to learn from you, like everything, and don't let nobody bully you, but don't get into trouble, okay? Be nice, be cool. I'll need to find your classes. Yeah. That's good. Sorry. Love you.
All right, they said you could be in there without cuffs, okay? So we'll keep it that way as long as you stay cool, okay?
Love you.
Before entering his cell, Johnny is allowed one last goodbye hug with his mom.
Be strong, okay? Best friend. Love you. Kiss. Best friend.
Arrest warrants were obtained for Jonathan and William, and a search warrant was executed for Messiah. DNA and fingerprints were collected from all three boys for comparison with evidence recovered from the stolen car. On March 21, 2025, Crime Stoppers received a shocking tip from a teacher who revealed that a fourth teen was present in the vehicle at the time of the murder. The tipster recognized the voice saying, "Bump him," as their student, none other than Will's best friend, 15-year-old Elijah Eli Engelking, who had previously denied any involvement when questioned by investigators.
Just bump him, bruh.
Like, just like bump him?
Yeah, just bump him. Go like 15, 20.
Investigators would later receive information from a third party, stating that Will's own brother shared that his parents knew Elijah was in the vehicle, but were waiting to disclose the information in the hopes of gaining leniency for Will. 15-year-old Elijah Engelking was indicted by a grand jury on June 11, 2025, on charges of first-degree murder, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, and knowingly leaving the scene of an accident, resulting in death. He entered a plea of not guilty and is currently being held without bond until his trial. Following his interview, 13-year-old Jonathan Overbay was taken to the Juvenile Detention Center and later charged with first-degree murder, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, leaving the scene of an accident involving great bodily harm or death, and unlawful carrying of a handgun by a person under the age of 19. According to the Bernalillo County District Attorney's Facebook page, he later pleaded guilty to second-degree murder, receiving the maximum juvenile sentence permitted under New Mexico law. He will remain in a juvenile facility until he reaches the age of 21. 15-year-old William Garcia was charged with first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. Per our conversation with the district attorney's office, his case has been transferred to adult court. As for Messiah, the 11-year-old was fed McDonald's and slept on a cot overnight in the interrogation room, as the Children's Youth and Family Services Department had no beds available for the night. He was taken into custody of CYFD the following morning. A recent Facebook post from the Bernalillo County District Attorney's Office announced that a now 12-year-old has been charged with an open count of murder in connection with the death of Scott Habermehl. We contacted the 2nd Judicial District Attorney's Office to confirm whether this individual is Messiah, but were told they could not provide additional details at this time. If you'd like to see select new videos early and help us keep uncovering case files that rarely come to light, you'll find extra footage and unseen details on our Patreon. Channel memberships here on YouTube also include early access to select new videos.